Hello everyone, we are here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. What does that mean? Well, with any vehicle purchase, you're going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your chance to win $10,000. Now back to the start of the show, we have this beautiful 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan GT that was just recently brought in to show you. Under the hood, you're going to find the tried and true 3.6 liter V6 Pentastar engine that's paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, and this is shown in the gorgeous granite crystal metallic color. Down below, you'll be riding on 17-inch black wheels. They're housing a great set of tires. This has been fully safetied and inspected and has a clean CARFAX. We're going to take you through it quickly, but if you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. So helping you win, you do get this remote from the factory with your unlock, lock, remote start, and panic button. I'll give you a quick shot of those wheels and tires. And then as you head on in, you also have the power door option on your remote as well. So you can open them and close them at any point in their journey. Beautiful black interior, brushed metal accenting along with that red stitching, power mirrors, windows, and locks. Lots of storage in the door. Your driver's seat's fully adjustable with lumbar support, and then you have this beautiful leather throughout. Your front seats are also heated. On your steering wheel, you have cruise control options on your right. On your left, Bluetooth and hands-free and dash selection buttons. And behind my fingers there, you do have audio-mounted controls allowing you to change the station source and volume. Fully automatic headlights to the left, 38,984 kilometers on this currently. And then to the right, you have your shifting area up and out of the way, and of course your ignition area. So into your beautiful Uconnect system, you have your AM, FM, and satellite capability for your radio options. And then for your media, you can connect it through Bluetooth, USB, auxiliary, and you have a hard drive in here as well as a CD player. You also have navigation and a beautiful backup camera. So moving on down, you have the manual buttons for your climate. You do have 3 climate zones in here, one for your passenger, driver, and the back passengers, of course. You also have the buttons for your heated seat and steering wheel, and then a couple different compartments here that have closures on them. We'll give you a quick pan through on the passenger side. Everything's in great condition, of course, very spacious. Glove compartment down below. Up above, you have additional space as well. Illuminated vanity mirrors, garage door transmitters, again the power buttons for your doors and back hatch, as well as sunglass storage and a built-in mirror to keep an eye on any back passengers. So as we head into the second row, there is 2 seats back here. I'll just put these down to show you. You do have armrests if you want them. There is pull-out cup holders and additional storage in the back here. All of the seats in this van do stow down. So when they're not stowed, you also have the option to use the storage bin underneath, or the space underneath as storage. There's also built-in sunshades, a DVD up top, as well as storage, and the seats do tumble forward to give you access to that third row. There's also some cup holders along the sides, and all of your video components are down below. So as we head into the back, this vehicle also comes with the optional trailer tow group, which is nice. There's all that storage above, and again, you'd have the DVD in the front. And so it's a nice and deep cargo space back here, as these seats, as you can see, do stow right down into the ground. They're really easy to bring up and put down. You just have to pull the straps in order. So we'll just show you the reverse of that to put them back down. So just within seconds and one-handed use, you can actually stow the seats. So that's super handy. And then you do have that power hatch, so you can just hit that button there and it'll close for you. So overall, as you can see, that was just a very quick tour. If you have any questions, or again, just want to get this on the road to experience it for yourself, which we'd encourage you to do, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We'd love to hear from you and answer any questions you have. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.